guys, going this way.
This is known as Portage number 12 along Ontario's Chapleau River at the Martel Road bridge. The elevated perspective helps with looking at subtle signs in the river. The recirculating wave reveals this to be a hole. It may not be large enough to capture a canoe, but still means that there is a shallow rock immediately upstream. There is a short break where a maneuver may be performed, and then a broken line of rocks. There is a tongue here, but then this rock in particular is blocking the entire right side.
They pretty much went right through the hole. Oh, that didn't work out. We hit that rock, see? They did much better there. They made the slot. Oh, okay. Oh, there they are. They did a good line. They actually did a really good line. And they stayed left the whole way. Yep, they made it okay.
Scouting ahead makes it significantly easier to identify features, but it can be hard to remember them when actually paddling through.